Here in Bangor, one of our main missions over the past 2 years has been to create a catalogue of choral music in the Welsh language. My name is Joe Cooper and we are in St Deiniol's Cathedral in Bangor. For the consecration there will be some new compositions, a new mass setting and a new anthem which is about the gifts of the Spirit to the bishop, and it's a 16th century text. It's about Deiniol, who of course was the first bishop here, but about him on a visit to Pembrokeshire, which of course has the connection to the Diocese of St David's. I've tried to set it in quite a modern style because the other compositions that are featuring in this service are also in a more contemporary style. I try to use intervals and rhythms that I find in Welsh hymnody. So although the music is new, there's something within the DNA of the music which is somehow familiar in people's subconscious. There's quite a lot of text to get through, and so that text does appear in at least one part of the music, but often while that's happening in other parts, there's just key phrases picked which are repeated. So I guess choosing which parts of the sentences are the most important for what you're trying to say through the music. The composition will be performed after the bishop has been presented with the various gifts and symbols, and it will rise to a glorious fanfare at the end, at which point the bishop will stand and will be declared as Bishop of St David's. I think the music's very important. One thing which can always trigger a memory is a particular tune. In years to come, parts of this music might be played and people think, oh yes, I remember that style of music. Where did I hear that? It was at one of those consecration services at the start of the 21st century in Bangor. I hope that they will enjoy the composition. I hope that it will intrigue people. It can certainly be used in 2025 because of course the poem is about Deiniol, and 2025 is the 1500th anniversary of Deiniol founding a religious community here in Bangor, and so many of these compositions, including this one, I'm sure will be brought out to celebrate that year.